Some medical issues in her battle with leukemia, but right there, a shot to the body, and down goes Adel Ruiz. He finished it, so he's dealt with all these distractions. He's dealt with keeping the family together and tending to his...
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to the HP Pavilion here at San Jose, California, where tonight, Oscar De La Hoya's Golden Boy Promotions is proud to present The Young and the Reckless. An evening of world-class professional prize fighting for your entertainment. It's HBO Boxing After Dark. Sponsored by Tecate, Cerveza con Carácter. Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black, officially weighing 129 pounds. A perfect professional record consisting of 17 fights, 17 victories with 12 knockouts, from Kalimantan, Indonesia, the undefeated El Chino Latino, Daud Yordan. And fighting out of the red corner, wearing red with white, official weight 130 pounds. Professional record, an outstanding 125 fights, 23 victories, including 16 knockouts, only one defeat with one draw. From Gilroy, California, Robert the Ghost Guerrero.
Ya, mitra olahraga JB Arena, ini adalah pertarungan tinju dari HBO yang disiarkan secara langsung dari San Jose, California, tepatnya di kampung halaman Robert Guerrero dengan julukan The Ghost. Ini merupakan pertarungan partai pertama dari 3 laga yang disiarkan secara langsung di salah satu stasiun televisi, tepatnya pada 7 Maret 2009. The Ghost, julukan Robert Guerrero, yang kala itu memiliki rekor 23 dalam raih kemenangan, 16 kali diantaranya dimenangkan via KO, sekali seri dan sekali kalah. Dia melawan petarung dari Indonesia Daud Yordan yang kala itu tak terkalahkan. Dari total pertarungannya sebanyak 17 kali dengan 12 kali diantaranya dimenangkan via KO ataupun TKO.
And we're joined by ringside, as always, by the former undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Lennox Lewis. Lennox Guerrero, very businesslike. He's the southpaw. Red shoots a quick left hand to the body. He's got the experience. Yordan sort of has the mystery. We don't know much about him.
Don't know much about him, but he looks pretty good right now, and he's got a good stance, and you can tell his footwork is quite...
Sejak bel ronde pertama berbunyi, jelaslah bahwa penonton di kota kelahirannya adalah pendukung petinju Amerika yaitu Robert Guerrero. Namun kendati demikian, petinju Indonesia Daud Yordan yang tak dikenal di negaranya membuktikan bahwa dirinya bisa bertarung dan memiliki footwork yang baik dengan selalu bergerak maju mundur.
In Indonesia, Yordan has Chinese ancestry in his family, and that's where he got the nickname. Good right hand.
Dan alhasil Daud pun mampu melesatkan pukulan telak ke kepala Guerrero dengan tangan kanannya.
Good right hand by Yordan. Another right hand, Guerrero fires back.
Sementara Robert Guerrero atau The Ghost ini hanya berfokus pada tubuh Daud Yordan.
Will land that lead right hand.
Well, he actually throws a great left right hand, and he steps well with it. He steps right in with it, and his opponent, so he's not afraid to throw it. So that's what's one thing good about it.
Guerrero, with the exception of Linares, is probably the most physically gifted fighter at 130 pounds. You see that he is true to his word, focusing.
Ya, kemudian Daud Yordan melancarkan kumbu kanan kirinya yang mengguncang Guerrero pada saat tersisa waktu kurang dari 10 detik di ronde pertama.
Good combination by Yordan, rock Guerrero.
Tak pelak, Daud pun akhirnya berhasil menangkan di ronde tersebut.
Guerrero doesn't have no respect for Yordan right now. He's going about his business like he wants to. He wants to do what he wants to do.
Jalannya ronde kedua, Daud Yordan kali ini semakin banyak melancarkan serangan kumbu kanan kiri dan juga clinch.
And Robert and Casey are the parents of 2-year-old Robert Jr. and Savannah Rose, who turns 4 on March the 13th. He said it's all in God's plan. every time he takes his wife to the.
Salah satu clinch membuat Daud Yordan melancarkan pukulan dan kemudian mencoba untuk menarik Robert ke arah untuk clinch. Inilah kemudian yang berakhir dengan benturan kepala yang mengakibatkan luka yang cukup parah di atas mata Robert. Daud Yordan kemudian mendaratkan 2 pukulan kanan bersih ke kepala hantu.
Bad cut on the right eye of Guerrero. You heard John Shorley, the referee, say accidental headbutt.
Oh, it's pretty bad too. But what I was saying, they make sure they score the points and make sure their opponent doesn't get a chance to come back and hit them with any unnecessary punches.
But there are fighters, Lennox, who get in, land their punches, and then stay in the pocket, so to speak, playing defense without halting the action by tying up their opponent.
That cut is going to be a problem for Guerrero because he's already motioning to the referee that, you know, it's bothering him.
Right. They're going to call timeout. Now, here's the rule.
Ya, petinju Amerika Serikat ini kemudian mengeluh kepada wasit bahwa ia tidak dapat melihat dengan matanya karena darah yang mengalir menutupinya. Rupanya tim medis di pinggir ring ini hampir tak percaya. Dan akhirnya wasit memutuskan untuk menghentikan pertarungan setelah hanya 2 ronde dan penonton profesional di kampung halaman Robert Guerrero ini mulai mencemooh karena mereka berasumsi bahwa Robert Guerrero baru saja kalah dalam pertarungan.
Under the rules of the ABC, this should be a no decision, and that's what I think they're going to call.
See, your Dan thinks he's going.
Namun ternyata tidak demikian, karena menurut aturan tinju California bahwa laga yang dihentikan karena benturan kepala yang tidak disengaja harus berlangsung setidaknya 4 ronde supaya dapat diputuskan oleh juri. Jadi pertandingan ini secara resmi dinyatakan tidak ada keputusan pada menit 1:47 detik di ronde yang kedua. Petarung Indonesia yang kurang dikenal namun tak terkalahkan. Ya, Daud Yordan unggul dalam perolehan skor King G, memenangkan ronde 1 dan memenangi sebagian besar ronde kedua hingga penghentian.